Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. I want to show you this tissue box cover or tissue dispenser. Very elegant. You can see what it looks like. This is square tissue cover with silver color. So the way it works is you need to open it, then you put the tissue, and you can see, so inside it, it's actually a plastic in silver finishing, and this is what we have here. So you just need to put the tissue and cover it up. Well secured. Here we go. This is beautiful, highly recommended, good to be on the bedside or in the living room or anywhere you want it, in the kitchen or hallway. Very elegant and highly recommended. Thank you.